ain't chasing perfection, I'm chasing growth. Every day, a better me.
I had to sit with myself in the quiet. No distraction, no noise to deny it. All the excuses I used to defend started sounding weak when I faced them within. I blame my past for the way I react, blamed other people for what I lack, yeah. But healing start when you tell the truth, yeah. Can't grow strong if you hide the root, yeah. I seen potential I never applied, yeah. Dreams I postponed, just feeding my pride, yeah. I asked God why I'm stuck in place. He said you comfortable, that's the way.
If I want change, I gotta move. If I want light, I face the truth. I can't pray for growth, then run from you.
I just wanna be a
better me, more love, less ego in me, closer to who God made me to be. Every day step faithfully. I don't need the old version back. I'm letting go, I'm done with that. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. God shaping better me.
I stopped waiting for a perfect time. Started working on my inner mind. Discipline where my feelings fail. Choosing growth when comfort, yeah. I ain't competing with who ahead. I'm competing with thoughts in my head. Every bad habit I entertain is just another broken chain. So I wake up and I pray first. Even when change feel like it hurt. Consistency over high, daily steps overnight. I fall short, but I don't quit. God's still working brick by brick. I ain't finished, I admit, but I'm further than I've ever been.
Mold me, shape me, even when it breaks me. Teach me, guide me, keep your hand beside me. I just wanna be a better me, more love, closer to who God made me to be. Every day, step faithfully. I don't need the old version back. I'm letting go, I'm done with that. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. God shaping a better me.
Yeah. Before I count problems, I count blessings. Woke up breathing, that's one already. Still got vision, mind still steady. Seen day when the fridge stay light. Still made it through another night. I done lost friends, I done lost time. Still got purpose, still got drive. Every scar tell me I survived. Every prayer prove God alive. I remember nights full of doubt. Now I see what he brought me out. Used to focus on what I lacked. Now I thank him for all I have. Heart full, hands open, still here, still chosen. Can't fall, no flex, just grace, no boast. I count blessings, not regrets. Thank God for every step, from the lows to where I'm at. I see mercy in the gap. I count blessings every day, even when the road ain't straight. Through the storm and through the rain, I still praise, I still praise, I still pray. I don't chase what don't serve me now. Peace too real, I protect it now. Use the one more just to prove a point. Now I value every quiet moment. Money cool, but it come and go. Faith stay strong when the funds get low. I seen fat wins fade real quick, but grace help me when I slip. I ain't rich, but I'm rich in truth. Still got love in the things I do. Still got breath, still got time. That alone mean God ain't done. I thank him for the wins, I thank him for the way. I thank him for the lesson that taught me how to stay great. I count blessings, not regrets. Thank God for every step. From the lows to where I'm at, I see mercy in the gaps. I count blessings every day, even when the road ain't straight. Through the storm and through the rain, I still praise, I still pray.
I count blessings, not regrets. Thank God for every step. From the lows to where I'm at, I see mercy in the gaps. I count blessings every day, even when the road ain't straight. Through the storm and through the rain, I still praise, I still praise.
Now I wake up with a thankful mind, even pressure feel like divine. I don't complain how I used to do. I remember what he pulled me through. Every meal, every breath I take, every chance I get to change my ways. I was broken, I was lost before. Now gratitude keep opening doors. I don't need perfect,
I need grace,
I don't need fast.
I trust his ways.
As long as God walk next to me,
I'm already where I need to be.
still breathing, still believing, still thankful. Yeah, I rest.
Rest beyond what I asked for. I still bless, I still praise. I count blessings every day. I still bless, I still praise. Even when the road ain't straight, I still pray. I still bless, I still praise. I still blessings in the gate. I still bless, I still praise. Even when the road ain't straight.
I serve a living God, oh, Alpha and Omega. Every word that He's spoken is yeah. I know He's working in my favor. Every word that He promised is
I know my Redeemer liveth. I know He never fails. Nothing's impossible. Nothing is too hard for Him. He is more than able. Yahweh is ever faithful. I'm serving a living God, and He will always make a way. And I know He'll do exceedingly abundantly for me. He has done it before. He will do it again. He's the God of the detail. He will always answer prayer. Jehovah Jireh is watching over. Serve a living God, oh, Alpha and Omega. Every word that He promised, it's coming, coming. I know He's working in my favor. Every word that He promised, it's coming, coming. Yes. Rock of Ages, my only provider, the miracle worker. He always remember. He will finish what He started in me. He will never forget. And I know He'll do exceedingly abundantly for me. He has done it before. He will do it again. He's the God of the detail. He will always answer prayer. Jehovah Jireh is watching over. Serve a living God, oh, Alpha and Omega. Every word that He promised, it's coming, coming. I know He's working in my favor. Every word that He promised, it's coming, coming. Yeah. Joy overflowing, celebration loading. 'Cause every promise, it's coming, coming. Yeah. Peace like a river, no need to bother. 'Cause every promise, it's coming, coming. Joy overflowing, celebration loading. 'Cause every promise, it's coming, coming. Peace like a river, no need to bother, no. 'Cause every promise, it's coming, coming to pass. My only provider.
summer, wait, the sun hits the borders on my face. But the heat of the sun does not compare to the power of your grace. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, with you in my life, every day be like summer. You shower me with your love, I don't feel see any karma. With you in my life, every day be like summer, love. Summer, summer, summer. Your love be like summer. Oh, summer. Your love be like summer. Oh, summer. Your love be like summer. Never been late, always on time for me. I feel your rays all on me, making me wait for your glory, surely. Peace and comfort to me. Oh, your love be like summer. The way you wrap your arms around me, greater than any other, greatest love I've ever known. Oh, my lover, with you in my life, every day be like summer. You showing me with your love, I know we see any karma. With you in my life, every day be like summer, love. Summer, summer, summer. Your love be like summer. Summer, your love be like summer. Summer, your love be like summer.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah.
Good morning, chat. What's up, man? Happy Wednesday, everybody. How's everyone doing? Shout out to 6 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Good morning. What's up? I'm gonna see some energies in the chat. Drop some energies in the chat, man.
Pray for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foolie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know it's...
All right, chat. What's up, man? How you guys doing? How's everybody's doing here? What's the deal today? Shout out to 7 viewers right now. What is the deal? What is the deal today, gang? What is the deal today? Daily are moving, okay, cool. Weekly, okay, makes sense. So monthly flip, a day and 14 hours here. Oh, we still have range to fill. Okay, okay. All right. Let me do the top down here, chat. Let me do top down here. So, um, start with the daily time frame. So as you can see, the daily time frame. How many pip we moved yesterday? Oh, we moved 1,400 pip. Holy smokes! So closure, bearish candle closure. As you can see, we got support form sitting right here, and then the candle closed below the range, right? And the next support level probably down here. This is gonna be a minor one, right? So from here, range one. Now we're coming to the range two, and um the next support level is sitting right here, 4,372 levels. It's gonna be the range three, right? And right now we have a candle close bearish, and at least we create a top wick here, and we expect that we're gonna have a wick fill here. This is gonna be the target. So minimum target here is the wick fill, right? The wick fill on the daily time frame. But let's see if we're gonna grab some wick fill for the day. How many pip we can probably move down here, target this. So almost 500 pip, it 450 pip range. The wick fill almost filled, but didn't push through. Let's see on the let's drop into the 4 hour time frame. Okay, the 4 hour, as you can see here, we got some rejections here on price. Pretty much good rejections here. We have levels here on price. We have a support level. As you can see, we closed below the range, but you know the problem when the candles are closing below the range is there's no top wick, no top wick, no bottom wick, no top wick. So there is a high chance that we can probably move up and move down even further. Grab orders here once again to grab the top wick and move down pretty heavy, right? But didn't push through, didn't happen. But let's see if we're gonna push through towards to this wick fill on the left hand side, right? So we got a support in for our time frame sitting right here. So the overall range is gonna be still um have clean range towards to the downside, but target here is the wick fill here, right? This is the first target here, and then after that, if this candle decides to move down even further, we can grab some potentials to move down 4,500 area, right? So that's gonna be the four. Um, we had at least a candle close, wick. I mean rejections, right? This is gonna be good idea for to take buys. Why? Because we have a clean traffic to move up here. Look at this, right? Clean traffic to move up. But the problem here, the 4 hour don't wanna push through, don't wanna push up. Still pushing down here. Let's drop down to the hourly time frame. So the hourly, as you can see, we have resistance form. So we have a structure here, resistance. We have a levels here, and we have levels here too. So too many levels in hourly time frame. But the overall range is gonna be this, right? This is gonna be the range one, overall range in the hourly time frame. Let's drop down to the 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, it looks the same. Look at that. So what we gonna look for here is we can grab some potential buys here too, because we have a support level sitting on this area 4572, and there's no closure yet, and as you can see, there's too many wicks on the left hand side, right? That price can reject and move up, right? So what we need here is we need the candle close bullish, right? So we're gonna have a new support form, and then the candles should move up here, retest this new resistance level right there, right? So that's gonna be the idea. Let's drop down to the 15. Oh, look, 15 looks the same. Look at that, right? Look at this. How many candles are pushing through, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 hours of candles are pushing through, right? Would you look at that? There's no bullish closure in the 15. Holy. Okay. Look at that, man. Okay, we're gonna have a candle closure. We're gonna have a candle close. I'm gonna use this as a support level. It's closing below the range on the 15. And then the resistance is above this. Ole. Guac. Damn, Goldie. Damn, Goldie. Would you look at that? Look at the range here. It's really, really massive. Really big. Big range. Really big range. So we're gonna wait for the candle to close, right? We're gonna wait for a new support form and then we're gonna move their support. But the support I'm gonna put it here at 4564 for now. Because we're pushing through. We are pushing through towards to the downside. There's no candle that closed bullish. So let's see here. Now it's waiting time, right? It's waiting time, chat. What's up, 13 viewers? How you guys doing? How's everybody's doing? So if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. I want this to happen right now. This 4 hour candle move shoot down. What's up, Ryan? How you doing? Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Boom, boom, boom. Man, we got a lot of potential today, probably. A potential buys here. Should be nice. Should be clean to move up. I know that we are bearish for the day, and counter trend is a little bit risky, but it is what it is. That's part of the setup. We just need to wait for high probability and take that. Because on the 30 minutes time frame, the hourly, as you can see, we have support form sitting right here, right? We have support form here, we have levels here, and there is wick here that tap in and then react, move up. So we're gonna have an idea once the candle create support in the lower time frame, especially in the 15 minutes time frame. We want to see this, right? We want to see the actual support with a good healthy body and top wick. We just need to wait like this, and then we're gonna grab probably the next open of the candle. That's gonna be a 12 p.m. candle, early candle. It's gonna open up. So let's see. We just need to wait for the support form here. Support form, and then should move up. Should move up. It should move up here. I want to see this wick fill already. I want to see this. Should move down. Pretty heavy here. I want to see this wick fill now. Once we see that, because price might react here. Look at this daily time frame. Look at this week, right? Look at this week. Look at this. So price can react here. Pretty heavy here. Do, 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 do. 10 minutes for the candle to close. 10 minutes here, gang. Patience, patience. So who got some sales yesterday here, chat? Who got some sales here? I got some sales yesterday. That's gonna be the London. We mark this up, right? Consolidations, and then we need to wait for the candle to close below this candle, close below the range, and then create I mean steeper, not steeper, it's top wick at least, and then move down. That's gonna be the idea there. And let's have a look that on chart. Where was that? Oh, this one. I believe this. Yeah, this is the trade yesterday, right? So we are waiting here. We have some range here. We have resistance level sitting right there. We have a support level right here. And this candle closed below the range, right? And that's gonna be the advantage, your advantage to take a trade because it's breakout trade, right? It's a breakout trade. And if we're gonna go up to the 30 minutes time, it's really, really clean here, chat. Look at that. How we mark up those levels, right? Close below, top wick, move down. That's pretty much the idea. That's pretty much the trade. Got some buys at the NY. Oh, this buys here? Right. I believe this buys, right? Which buys you got? This one, this one, this one. Ah, I know. Rico, you're gonna take buys here. This buys here. Rebroke of the higher. 100 pip move. Holy. Do 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 do. Selwyn got the cells. Wow, W man. W. No trade for you yesterday, Robias. 9:45 move. Oh, 9:45 move. This one. 9:45 should be 5:45 Dubai time. This buy, Eric? Which one? Oh, okay. Onion. This buy no top wick. Which buy you are saying here? 9:45 move. Because this is gonna be 6:45, 15. Oh, this one. Okay. 5:30. After NYSE. Yeah, this one. I know this. 30 minutes time frame? Which time frame? 30 minutes, right? So this is 4:30, 6 p.m., 5:45. This is the buy. 5:45. Yeah, okay. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, buys here. It's really interesting here. The buys yesterday once this candle closed above. I mean, this is gonna be this support level. You have resistance here. You have still range to move up, and We are moving down for the day, and we this is probably the nice setup for you to take on pullbacks, right? Advantage here, 92 pips, really good trade here. Taking buys from here, 4 5 4 5 8 4, breaking the highs, and that's good. Pretty much idea there. All right, 5 minutes for the candle to close here. Can we close bullish here? I want to see this. I want to see this bullish closure. Let's see that, man. And then, see that. Chat, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a like, gang. Can I see 20 likes in the stream here, chat? Just drop a like, subs to the channel. If you are new to the channel, subs to the channel, support the channel. I do live stream every single day, Monday through Friday, London session. So yeah, just hop onto the stream, enjoy the stream, participate to the chat. Man, we are really. I'm not saying that we are really consistent. We're not trading like a week for 2 to 3 trades, right? If there's a high chance, if there's quality setup, we're gonna take the trade. Sometimes in a week there's no quality setup in stream, so we're not taking any trades. All right. So far, 4 trades in a month now. All right, 4 trades, man. April is a little bit choppy right now. Yesterday, right? Yesterday we saw volume, we saw some clean price actions, but off stream. Off stream. But I give you guys some idea that if the candle close below, gonna go sell. The candles close above, gonna go buys. Upstream, how much I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 trades in a month now. I'm up 336 pips. Would you look at that? I'm up 336 US dollar in a month. Would you look at that? Rico, how much payout you're sitting on the funded account? How much is the payout now, Rico? Do. No payout this month. Pays to pass. Oh, you blew the funded account, the live funded account. Do you make a schedule for your payout like end of the month in FTMO? No, you cannot do a schedule. So in FTMO, once you got the live funded account, and then you took a trade, let's say today, Wednesday, after 2 weeks you're gonna get the payout. After 14 days, you're gonna take the payout. Wednesday, you're gonna take that payout. The same day you took the trade. So it's just 2 weeks. Some of the price. I mean, um, was that funded next? Yeah, funded next. I believe it's 21 days, and I don't know in the other firm, but normally it's 2 weeks. Yeah, 15 days, 14 days. Yeah. like that. Yeah, I blew some. If you're a funded trader, it's pretty normal to blue an unfunded account. That pretty much normal. Which platform you using, Brico? Still funded next, right? And Rob is using funded next too, right? Yeah, funded next, bro. If you wanna try this platform account, um, this is gonna give you 30% discount. So the funded is called the next gen funding. Right, this is the funded platform, right? And then if you wanna, it's the same in FTMO, the same with funded next. Look at that. So if you wanna have a profit target of 8%, you can use that, but the drawdown limit is 8%. But for me, I use the standard one. So you're gonna hop onto the standard one and then choose whatever you like here. Let's say 100K, right? So 100K, there is some discount here, code flex if you wanna check. Now it's 370. You're gonna have a discount of 158. Yeah, so that's the link if you want to check it out. Check it out, and yeah, man. Hope it will help. And if you want to try the platform, you can try it by creating a demo account. So you can check the spread, you can check all. You can check all. Yeah, you know. Gonna check, you can open an account here. That's the link right there. Check it out. All right, candle close. Man, no bottom wick open. Hmm. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Doop, doop, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. It's a 30% discount, chat. 30% discount. So if you want to try, like, if you are a new trader and if you don't want to, spend a lot of money blowing an account, just try to practice in a funded account. It's the same psych, because your mind just think that your mind is, I want to pass this account. It's the same. It's how we take with the live account. That's my mindset. When I start trading prop firm, I trade the prop firm the same with live account. I treat it the same. So if you wanna do that, treat it the same way. You're gonna be good. Hope you can reach out with fund the next two. Let's get some discount. Yeah, probably soon. Soon. Funded next is based in UAE. Yeah, based here in UAE. Their head office is in Ajman. So yeah, I think they're. How is the spread in funded next? How many pip spread? Two, three? Do, 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 do. It's wilding at the moment, really. The same with FTMO, right? Man, FTMO spread is massive here. I'm gonna show you guys the spread. Look at how the spread is big in FTMO. Look at this. Look at the gap here. I look at this gap, man. If we're gonna check how many pip, look at that. 4 pips. 4 pip spread. Holy. But in NY sessions become tight. I guess like 2 pips. But during Asian session and London sessions, pretty much wide here. I don't know why. 4 pip at the moment, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. The same spread with the FTMO, right? The funded next. I believe funding pip is really really good too. We go to Trust Pilot here. Let's see who's really popular in terms of prop firm. Let's say, yeah. So look at that FTMO. Let's try FTMO here. FTMO. Oh, 4.8. 4.8 stars. Reviews. This is the best I ever use. Prop firm anymore. Um, Funded next, yeah. Funded next is 4.5 rate. Pretty much cool. Pretty interesting here. The good thing in funded next, you can once you pass it, you can have a 10%, right? Profit split when you got a first payout. First profit split. They're gonna add 10 more percent additional based on the balance. Funding pips. Funding pips. 4.5. Okay. And funding pips really, really good too. I wanna try this prop firm. I try this and Dominion funding. 3.5, 3.6. I'll post a review until I get satisfied. Can bridge. Oh no, give proper. It's not given to me. Oh, there's a complaint here. Give it to me. Then the second bridge probably for no response. Oh, okay. Oh damn. Yeah, pretty much still FTMO is the best one. I guess 4.8 star here. This one is the top tier. Top tier. GFT was the GOAT funding. GOAT funding, yeah. Let's see. Let's see the GOAT funding. GOAT funding. Funding, right? It's not here. GOAT funded. Yeah, this one. QT funded. Quantec GOAT money was that. Ooh. One in Hong Kong. What's that? All right, man. Goldie. Still dropping. Look at that. Look at this price action, man. Look at that. Straight up. Red candles. 400 pip. When you got sales from resistance level, you just hold it. For 3 hours. You got 400 pips. Would you look at that? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Chat, any questions? Right? Any questions about trading? Let me know in the chat if you have any questions. Shout out to 24 viewers right now. Can I see 20 likes in the stream here? Just like the stream, subs to the channel. So we need this current candle to close bullish and wait for another bullish candle to break the previous week. Then we can enter buy position. Yes. Yes. Yeah, we need the new support form. We need this kind of candle closure. And what this candle close, we're gonna wait for a bottom wick and we're gonna enter on the rebroke of this high. That should be fine. And the stops there should be on the rebirth. It's gonna be pretty much the trade, right? This is gonna be pretty much the idea. So we're gonna take longs here on the rebroke of the high, and stop loss should be, we can use this current candle stop or this, but I always use the previous candle stop loss. This one, this low right here, and I'm gonna give like a little bit of room, right, like that. Okay. You're welcome. You're welcome. So now, yeah, you're getting good. You're getting closer. You are learning, Ryan. Congratulations. You're doing good. That's the real good thing in trading. You need to ask questions so you understand what happened on the chart. You understand why the candles are closing. You understand why we need the support form in or enable for us to take a buy. So what you understand why we need resistance form to take a sell. So that pretty much good idea there, no? Asking questions really gonna help you to grow, to understand things, to understand price actions. Do 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 do. Ba ba bam bam ba bam bam ba bam ba ba bam. NFP Friday. It's NFP Friday or the next month? No, no NFP. NFP should be May. May what? May. Oh, yeah. NFP. May 8th. May 8th is the NFP. Yup. Holy smoke. NFP. Let's see if we can I can do live stream on the NFP. Why are you looking for buys in the bearish trend? Are you guys looking to profit on retracement? If it's okay, but it's risky. Yeah. Yup. Yup. It's all risky. Taking sell right here is risky. Taking buy right here is risky. It's all risky. Oh, yeah, we know that we are moving down, but As you can see on the 30 minutes time frame, we got many rejections and then price move up, rejection, price move up. Now we're tapping again the support. We can probably grab the buys. So it's all risky. Trading is risky. What's up, Riz? How you doing? Good afternoon. Kenneth, how you doing? Good afternoon. Once bullish trend is confirmed, how far can we get got for TP? Because I can see minor levels at 4579. 4579. Where's that? 4579. Here, support level. Yeah, is that pretty much the target? Those levels, like minor levels, is gonna be pretty much the target. You know, our target to take a profit, to take a partial, to take a move stops, to break even, right? Those particular zone is the target. Keep in mind, we don't need to chase this move. We don't need to chase this whole move. We just need to take a target and then that's it. Don't chase anything. Yeah, TP is up to you, but I always put a target in the chart when I took a trade. All right, 30 minutes really really good here. 9 minutes for the candle to close. 9 minutes. I want to see this candle closure. The close above, I mean close bullish support form and should move up on the next 30 minutes candle. It's all risky. Getting married is risky. Trading is risky. Everything is risky, man. Candles are overextend, yeah. True that. 5 minutes for the candle to close. Look at that. Can we close bullish here? All right, 2 minutes. We're not gonna close bullish. Look at that. The 15. I don't like the 15 closure. There's no bottom wick too. If the 15 minutes candle closed bullish already, why we're looking at the 30 minutes time frame now? 15 minutes time frame bullish, but you need to ask yourself why the candle closed bullish but huge wick here. You cannot take buys when the candles are the body are small. You know, we expect the idea of the candles should be closed with a healthy body, good body right there, with the top wick, bottom wick. That's pretty much a good body. I mean, the good candle. This closure is not gonna help you to push up because this candle indicates that the buyers is getting lower. Make sense? That's why I'm looking on the 30 because the 30 is better than 15 and it looks the same too. The clean traffic, 50 minutes looks the same, 30s looks the same. So that's why I'm looking on the 30 minutes candle. What are you looking for at this moment? I'm looking for nothing here. Right now, nothing. I'm waiting. I'm patiently waiting. Patiently waiting here. We cannot do anything. If the price move down, we cannot take sales. I cannot. I don't want to take sales. Even though I have levels here that support level once the candle close below, I'm not gonna take sales because look at that. Look at this. You need to ask yourself too, right? You need to ask yourself if it's selling right now is really good, though we are selling at the bottom. So selling here is not really good. It's like 30, 70%. 30% you're gonna win, 70% you're gonna lose. Right? That's the probability there. But if you're gonna wait for the candle to retrace and sell right here, that's pretty much a good idea. Because you're gonna wait for the candles to create a new high, because you have a new high here, you have a candle though, you have a create a new high once again, and then you're gonna push the candle, gonna push through to the low. That pretty much the idea. Thank you for explaining well. I understand now. Yep, you're welcome. You're welcome. Volume is voluming today, chat. Volume is voluming today. Damn, Goldie. Any questions, chat? Any questions? 3 minutes. Wow, we have a huge wick here, chat. Man, impulse entry. No. Impulse entry. Yeah. 30 minutes. Man, 30 minutes still open here. I don't think this early gonna flip bullish. But the 15 really clean here for the impulse. At least target here. Yep. No closure. Oh, rejections, huh? Rebroke of this. Damn. All right, interesting here, chat. We're gonna close bullish on the 15 here with the huge wick at the bottom. So now it's gonna be interesting here. Taking buys probably on the rebroke of this. We're gonna wait for a bottom wick and then take buys here. Probably, we just need the top wick. Oh, we need the top wick here, gang. Oh, 30 is flipping bullish now. All right. Goldie, can you make a bottom wick? No bottom wick here. Need to wait for a bottom wick. Bottom wick, bottom wick. Hey. Bottom wick, bottom wick. Damn, Goldie, no bottom wick. Didn't create a bottom wick. Now you're moving up. Holy. Okay. No buenos. No buenos. 30 minutes looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Harley looks good too to retrace here, right? Told you guys, 30 minutes here. Look at this 30 minutes on the left hand side here, right? Support level, too many weeks reject. Now it will probably reject, right? Probably reject now. We got a nice setup, but the entry confirmations is not really good. At least we need the bottom wick here because this candle open up and then move down, move up. Didn't create any bottom wick here. If this candle create a bottom wick, we are here. We are in. Didn't create a bottom wick. It's all about pattern, you know. You got a pattern on the left. You're gonna look on the left hand side. What's happening on the left hand side, which is we have a support form and we have a huge wick. Too many wicks here on the left. The price stops in and then react, move up. That pretty much the pattern, you know. Price actions, reading price actions, the candles. Doo-doo-doo. 8 minutes for the candles to close. No bottom wick means the candle can flip back to bearish. Yes, correct. Bam, bro. We just need the bottom wick here. Why you're dropping up? No bottom wick. Holy smokes. Who grabbed some buys here today, chat? Who got some monthly bearish candle closure? Yeah, probably monthly candle bearish closure. We need to grab the wick fill here. We still have a wick fill. Weekly candle bearish. So yeah. Bearish, man. But who took some buys here, chat? Who grabbed some buys here today? Who took some buys today, man? Stop would be insane. Yeah, that's the problem there. No, if there's no bottom wick here, the stop would be insane. That's why I wanna wait for a bottom wick, and then probably stop's gonna be below here, 55509. That's pretty much. Got my sales already from the earlier. Wow, that's the dubs. W risk. Okay, 30 minutes candle closure. Early closure. I think it didn't need one since it was at 11:45. Sometimes, but I always consider it. I always want to see a bottom wick there. So this one, okay. Damn. Overextend 30 minutes candle here. But we can grab some big fill here at the 30 minutes. We can probably manage the trade once this candle go back in a range. I mean, rebroke the lows. All right, rebroke the lows one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Move, move. Not interesting here to take buys. No. It's really not really good to take buys now. Really, really not good to take buys now. Probably taking buys here once the resistance been formed again. So if we got a new resistance form like this, now it's pretty much good idea. We just need to wait for the candle close above, taking buys. But right now, no, because the 30 minutes candle overextend. Pretty much I need to wait for the good price actions here on that 15. We cannot chase the move because move happened already. So we need to wait for a new resistance form here. And then once it close, So we have a new resistance. Now we're gonna wait for the close above the range, above those resistance, then taking buy because we still have a clean traffic towards to the upside, going to the up. Here, this is gonna be a clean traffic here. That pretty much the idea. But right now we cannot do anything here. Range 2 buys. Yeah, range 2 buys pretty much good idea. 30 minutes candle a little bit overextend. So we might hover around here. This 30 minutes candle might hover here. So yeah. I think yeah, we can call it streamer chat. Nothing for us today. I don't want to force anything for just in the stream here because I really don't want to see good entries on this particular zone here. There's no good entries here because of the 30 minutes candle close. Little bit of overextend, but for now, I need to wait for those resistance and then the candle close above the range. That pretty much good idea for us here today. All right, chat. So, I call it stream here. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream today. Really appreciate you all. 30 people are showing up to the live stream today. Yeah, man, chat. If you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have a stop loss and we got a FOMC tonight. And what else? Oh, there's no news later tonight on the USD, but FOMC is there. So yeah, chat, be careful later tonight, okay? So peace and love, everybody. Right? Have a good day. Touch the grass here. Peace out. Love you all. Peace, man.
I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. Ay, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself. Ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are His best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that He loves you and He can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Ay, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. We came to set us free.